Myself, Benilda, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. Today we are going to learn the subject 3D printing and design. The subject code is CCS 331 Regulation 2021. Already in the previous video, we have started this unit 5 and we have seen the product models and manufacturing. Today in this video, we are going to see about the printed electronics, biopolymers and packaging. So printed electronics. Printed electronics offers a broad range of industrial applications spanning from flexible displays and sensors to medical devices and smart packaging. These applications leverage the ability to print electronic components onto various substrates, enabling customization and affordability. Next, electronics and displays. So flexible displays, touchscreen and membrane switches, LED lighting, RFID and NFC tags. So these are electronics and displays. So first of all, flexible displays. Printed electronics can create displays that can be bent, rolled or folded, expanding the possibilities for wearable electronics and portable devices. Next, touch screens and membrane switches. Printed electronics are used to create touch-sensitive interfaces for various devices, including industrial panels and touchscreens. Next, LED lighting. This printed LEDs offers flexibility and energy efficiency for lighting solutions in various industry settings. Next one is medical and healthcare. So there are three methods: diagnostic tools, drug delivery system, and wearable sensors. This diagnostic tool, printed electrochemical sensors can be used for rapid and accurate diagnostics such as blood sugar monitoring and pathogen detection. Next one is drug delivery system. The printed electronics can be used to develop micro and nanoscale drug delivery systems for precise and targeted treatments. Next, wearable sensors. Printed sensors can be integrated into clothing or skin patches for continuous monitoring of vital signs and other health parameters. Next one is automotive and transportation. Here there are three methods: smart packaging, automotive displays and controls, and printed heaters. Smart packaging. Here printed antennas and sensors can be integrated into packaging for tracking, monitoring, and even enabling smart features. Next, automotive displays and controls. Here printed electronics are used in automotive dashboards, infotainment systems and other control panels. This printed heaters solutions can be used in vehicles for application like windshield defrosting and seat warming. Next, come to biopolymers. This biopolymers derived from renewable resources like plants and microorganisms offer a variety of industrial applications, particularly in fields like food, medicine, and packaging, due to their biodegradability and biocompatibility. They are increasingly being used as alternatives to synthetic polymers that have negative environmental impacts. Some specific applications is food industry, medical industry, packaging, textile industry, automotive industry, construction industry, electronics, and cosmetics. Food industry. Here biopolymers are used in edible films, coatings, and packaging materials to extend shelf life and reduce waste. They can also act as carrier for antimicrobial and antioxidative agents, further enhancing food safety and quality. Next, come to medical industry. Here, biopolymers find use in medical implants, tissues, sca- uh, it- tissue scaffolds, wound healing materials, and drug delivery system due to their biocompatibility and biodegradability. Next, packaging. Here, biopolymers are employed in packaging materials to replace traditional plastics and reduce environmental pollution. Next, come to textile industry. Biopolymers are used in textiles for binding and as components in various fabrics, offering sustainable and biodegradable alternatives. Next, come to automotive industry. Biopolymers are used in interior and exterior parts, electrical components, and other automotive applications. So this is the diagram for this biopolymers, applications of biopolymers. So in pharmacy, it is used medical and biomedical, packaging and foods, cosmetics, agriculture. So along with this applications, they have given the examples. So next, construction industry. Their biopolymers can be added to cement to enhance its properties and are also used in interior decoration. Then electronics. Here biopolymers are used in the manufacturing of audio devices, printed circuit boards and other electronic components. Finally, cosmetics. So they are used in various cosmetic products including sunscreen, hair products and creams, etc. Last topic in this video is packaging. So 3D printing offers numerous industrial applications in packaging the sector, particularly in prototyping, customization, and the development of innovative packaging solutions. It enables business to create personalized packaging, reduce production costs, and explore sustainable materials like biodegradable filaments. 3D printing also facilitates the creation of complex shapes and designs, streamlining the design process and improving product presentation. The applications of this first one is prototyping and design validation, customization and personalization, cost savings and efficiency, sustainability and environmentally friendly options, intelligent and multifunctional packaging, integration with automated packaging systems. So prototyping and design validation. It is particularly useful for creating physical models of complex shapes, making it easier for designers to visualize and evaluate their ideas. Next one, customization and personalization. 3D printing enables the creation of personalized packaging for specific products or customer segments, enhancing brand identity and creating unique customer experiences. Third one, cost saving and efficiency. Here 3D printing can reduce production cost by eliminating the need for expensive molds and large production runs, making it more cost effective for small to medium production volumes. Next one is sustainability and environmentally friendly option. Here 3D printing allows for exploration of sustainable materials like biodegradable filaments and recycled plastic. Next, intelligent and multifunctional packaging. Here 3D printing can be used to create intelligent packaging with sensors and other embedded functionalities such as freshness indicators or tamper evident features. Finally, integration with automated packaging systems. This allows business to customize their packaging solutions while maintaining the efficiency of their existing production process. So in the next video, we can see about the healthcare, food, medical, biotechnology displays. Thank you.